got him no problem. All right, I managed to find some scrap steel. This is a shelf, believe it or not. You screw that to the wall and you can make some shelving for lumber and stuff. I'm sure I found it at the dump or a lawn sale. Who knows? So what I'm going to do is cut this. What I'm making here, as long as we can get everything apart, I am making a bracket to hold my countertop. As simple as I can. There's some screws in here that keep the thing from going down and up. But it won't take me long to cut this into what I need it to be. $16 and $32. This is the counter that I have built for Beaver Creek. 15 inches deep and 4 feet long. We'll see if I keep it 4 feet long. It'll depend on how much room the little gas stove needs. These right here are the 2 brackets that we just made up. This is the back of the counter. So these will bolt on the bottom of the counter. Just like that. And then these legs here will bolt up to the studs that are on the side of the cabin. And I'll do all that over at the cabin. Get these on first, then mount the counter, and I at least got a place to put my coffee pot, along with a coffee cup. Where would any good hunting camp be without a little bit of spray paint, huh? Just enough to keep things from rusted up. Alright, let them sit for a few minutes, pack them up. For the end of this video, I'm going to put some links to some videos along the same thing. Off-grid living, how to be self-reliant. What do you do when the shit hits the fan? Sorry. At the end of this video, I'm going to put some clips in on this off-grid cabin and the lifestyle that I've chosen here. And what would you do when the crap hits the fan, and just what's your ideas on it, and what's my ideas on it. My content in this channel is all about how-to, and a teaching channel on how to live off the grid and how to live out in the bush. And I will see you in the next one.